Hello, everyone. My name is Kaka K, and this is episode 2 for You Know It. It is for how to make digital products for your shop by, of course, the lovely Kaka K. So, let's begin. The first thing that I'm going to want to do is from our last episode, I told you that we will be reviewing what we did yesterday. So, let's start. So right now I'm going to share my screen to files, and we're going to get the whiteboard. So this is what we've done. This is our whiteboard. So, we've done the intro, which is subject, the intro, what we're talking about. Now it's time for software, which is episode 2. And that's sort of creating, right? So today I'll be introducing the software that we're going to be using. So the software we're using is called Canva. So I'll share that up onto my screen right now. Just give me a sec. Okay, I'm going to share my screen, and okay, this is what my screen looks like currently. We're opened into Canva right now. So this is the Canva home. I highly recommend you download the Canva app. I will link that in the description down below of this video. So yes, this is Canva. This is what we are going to be using to create those beautiful designs you see. Now on my website, like I'm going to show you right now, on my website, everything that I created was using Canva, apart from my logo, which I hand drew and created myself on IBIS Paint X. Now, all of these apps that I'm mentioning are free. You don't need to pay for any of them. No licensing, no nothing. It's all completely free. And that's one of the reasons why I've created this business, to show people that you can create websites, you can create businesses in general for absolute free. I created this using Shopify, and now you're saying, oh, well, you said everything's free, but Shopify isn't free. You have to pay $29 a month. Well, actually, I use Shopify developers. It works exactly like Shopify, but you don't have to pay, nor do you need a 14-day free trial. So that is my secret of software. I told you that we'll be using Canva to create our products, or digital products. So that actually almost brings us to the end of this. But to show you how the software works, I'm just going to open up Canva, which is already pulled up. Let's say I wanted to make a worksheet. So I click on the worksheet document, and here it gives me some things. So I click on blank, and this is the inside of the Canva interface. So the inside of the Canva interface has all of these tabs. Let me close this. So it has all of these. It has templates, which are free and customizable to use. But some of them are paid for the paid version of Canva. But like I said, you can use the free version of Canva. Okay, maybe I didn't say that. Well, I said it now. Anyway, we have the template button. Then we have the uploads button, which is where you get to upload different things. Like there, I uploaded my logo. I uploaded many more things. Some of even my work and stuff like that. Then there are photos. These are free photos to use that I personally like using for marketing. I use them to market and edit my photos to make people really get a sense of what I do. And you can use this to make various numbers of things. So that's what I really like about it. It's time to go into the Elements tool. Now, the Elements tool is where you find shapes, lines, everything you can. It's essentially what you mostly use to create everything. That's what I use most things in the grid, in the Elements tool. Now, if you go to this grid button, Elements also provides frames. So if you go there to like, and you scroll up and okay, let's search for frames. Here there are different frames, and also another marketing purpose if they have the phone, the laptop, iPad, phones, desktop, everything that you need in frames. So that's one thing that I really like about it. They also have stickers under there, and if you download the mobile app, you will see stickers is in another tab, but it's okay. They're all included under Elements. Then the next thing is text. Here you can add headings, subheadings, a little bit of bodies of text. And to make it easier for you without having to scroll through fonts, you can scroll all the way to find what you feel fits, what font, and what effects. And then that way, you can just input it in like I have done here. I can always change the color. That's one thing. It's really easy and user friendly. No matter if you are a professional or intermediate or even a beginner. Now, audio. I don't really use this feature as much, but it's still included in Canva. Here you have really nice free and copyright free music. And also, because it's copyright free, you can use them in everything. Now, most of them are pro and some are free, which is what I really like about Canva. They're very considerate no matter how much you pay. Now, videos. Videos is like photos, but it's just a bit more, it's like a video, basically. And you can download how many things you want. They're free and paid ones. Then backgrounds. Now, these are background options that you could use, or you could just go and click on your canvas. And then if you know the hex code of your business, then you can just enter it in, or you can search for like a photo on here to use as your background. Anyone is good. Then in the folders bar, you can see, all my liked stuff and all the stuff that I've liked, there will be in there. Then if you go to the more button, they have some other apps that are integrated with Canva. There's emoji, there's embeds, there are more. Now, if you go to the embeds tool, and you paste your, let's say, embed in here. Now, this is the one that I've been using to create my own webinars or stuff. You can just import it in there. So, like, anyone you want to use, if it's a YouTube embed or anything like that. So, yeah. Then also in more, you have emojis that you can add in, QR codes. Now, you enter your URL of your website. Let's say stickos.myshopify.com, right? I'll use that as an example because that's my website. And then it will generate a QR code for you so anyone can scan this to reach your website. Then there are much more. If you want, you can go off right now and search for more. Now, one of my favorites is Pixton because you get cartoon characters, although not all of them look like the character you want. Another favorite of mine is Jiffy. You get really cool animated GIFs you can add to your Insta stories, TikToks, and more. So I think that brings me to the end of software. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video, and I want to thank you all so much for following my series. Thank you so much once again for watching how to make digital products for your shop. Thank you once again, and bye.